Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn on how to record a Microsoft Teams meeting on your laptop or PC. So here, the first thing that you're going to do is to start a meeting. So just simply click on this Meet Now option. That's right. And then here, just have to give this meeting a name. Okay. Then after that, just click on the Start Meeting option. Okay, now click on the Join Now. That's right. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. So once you're here, you can copy the meeting link, you can add participants, and then share this via default email. Okay. Now just simply click on this More option at the top. Then you have here the record and transcribe option. So make sure to select the start recording. All right. And then select the correct language to ensure the accuracy of features that process audio. Okay, so we're going to use the English US. Click on confirm after that. Okay, now when you see this red dot right here at the top of our screen, it means that you are now recording this meeting. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment below. Bye.